Hello guys, in today's video we'll be talking about company types in Germany and we'll explore the different types of companies you can set up in Germany. And without any more waffling, let's get into the video. The first one we're exploring is called sole proprietorship. You can read that in German. A sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by a single individual. The owner is personally responsible for all aspects of the business, including debts and liabilities. General partnership often handles Gesellschaft. A general partnership is a business structure where two or more individuals or entities share in the management, profits, and liabilities of the business. Each partner is personally responsible for the debts of the partnership. Liable means responsible, they're the same thing. Limited partnership, Kommanditgesellschaft. In a limited partnership, there are two types of partners: general partners with unlimited liability and limited partners with limited liability to their invested capital. This structure allows for a separation of management and investment roles. Limited liability company, Gesellschaft mit beschränkter Haftung. The GmbH is one of the most common business structures in Germany. It provides limited liability to its shareholders, and the company is a separate legal entity. The minimum share capital required, and shares cannot be publicly traded. Public limited company, Aktiengesellschaft. An AG is a public limited company with shares that can be traded on the stock exchange. It requires a higher minimum share capital than a GmbH and is subject to more stringent regulatory requirements. Mini GmbH, Unternehmergesellschaft. The UG, commonly known as the Mini GmbH, is a variation of the GmbH. It was introduced to make easier for entrepreneurs to start a limited company with lower initial capital requirements. As the company grows, it can convert to a full GmbH by meeting a certain capital requirements. Partnership limited by shares, Kommanditgesellschaft auf Aktien. This is a hybrid business structure that combines elements of a limited partnership and a public limited company. It allows for the separation of management and ownership, like KG, but with shares that can be traded on the stock exchange. Cooperative, Genossenschaft. A cooperative is a form of organization where members pool their resources for mutual benefit. It is governed by cooperative principles, and members have a say in the decision-making process. Choosing the right type of company depends on the specific goals and circumstances of the business. Legal and tax advice is highly recommended when making such decisions, as the implications can be significant. Additionally, the German company law may undergo changes, so it's important to stay informed about the latest regulations.